Happy morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are all keeping fine. Today we are going to learn the concept he or she, gender and describing words. He or she, gender and describing words. What are genders? Genders are the facts of being male or female. Let us learn about it. There are two types of genders. Male gender, female gender. Look here. Gender of nouns. Grammatical gender is a system of noun classification. A common gender classification includes masculine and feminine categories. Masculine nouns are words for men, boys, and male animals. Feminine nouns are words for women, girls, and female animals. He, she. He is used for men, boys, and male animals. She is used for women, girls, and female animals. Names for boys, men, and male animals are male naming words. For example, man, tiger, lion, horse, father, sheep, bull. Names for girls, women, and female animals are female naming words. For examples, women, tigress, lioness, mare, mother, Eve, cow. He or she. Here are some examples for he and she for animals. He, brother. She, sister. He, brother, male gender. She, sister, female gender. He, boy. She, girl. Boy, male gender. Girl, female gender. Husband, wife. Husband is male gender. Wife, female gender. Husband, male gender. Wife, female gender. Grandfather and grandmother. Grandfather, male gender. Grandmother, female gender. He, grandfather. She, grandmother. He, bridegroom and bride. Bridegroom means in Tamil, Mappilai. Bride means ponnu. Okay, Mappilai, ponnu. Bridegroom, male gender. Bride, female gender. Bridegroom, bride. He, landlord and landlady. Landlord, landlady. Landlord, male gender. Landlady, female gender. The next, policeman, policewoman. Policeman, policewoman. Policeman, male gender. Policewoman, female gender. He, policeman. She, policewoman. Prince, male gender. Princess, female gender. King, queen. King, male gender. Queen, female gender. King, queen. Deer, buck or stag. Doe or hen. Deer, buck or stag, male gender. Doe or hen, female gender. Sheep, ram, ewe. Ram, male gender. Ewe, female gender. Goose, gander, goose. Gander, male gender. Goose, female gender. Elephant, bull, cow. Bull, male gender. Cow, female gender. Peacock, peahen. Peacock, peahen. Rabbit, buck, doe. Buck, doe. Cattle, bull, cow. Bull, cow. Tom, queen. Tom, queen. Donkey, jack, jenny. Jack, jenny. Tiger, tigress. Tiger, tigress. Now, children, take book exercise, page number 27. Children, now take page number 27. Chapter 5. He or she. He or she. Let's get started. Who are they? Here they have given two pictures. We have to find correct person name. Okay? Name the person who matches the description. It can be anyone. First one, he stays with me. He has a mustache. He goes to work every day. He takes me to school. He buys me toys. Sometimes he cooks food for me. He plays with me. He loves me a lot. Who is he? Can you find this picture? Yes, he is your father. Is correct? Yes. Who is he? Father. My father. What is the spelling of father? F A T H E R. Father. F A T H E R. Father. My father. Who is he? My father. Second one. She stays with me. She goes to work in the morning. She helps me do my homework. She buys me chocolates. She tells me stories at night. She loves me a lot too. Who is she? Who is she? Can you find her? Yes, she is your mother. She is your mother. What's the spelling of mother? M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. Who is she? My mother. My mother. Take page number 28. Read this list of naming words for male and females. Read this list of naming words for males and females. People. Male, female. Now we are going to see people genders. Male, female. Father, mother. Appa, amma. Okay, wow. Father, male gender. Mother, female gender. Brother, sister. Brother, sister. Brother, male gender. Sister, female gender. Grandfather and grandmother. Grandfather, male gender. Grandmother, female gender. Tata, Pati. Uncle, aunt. Uncle, aunt. Mama, atta. Male gender, female gender. Boy, girl. Boy, male gender. Girl, female gender. Man, woman. Man, woman. Son, daughter. Son, daughter. Son na mahan, daughter na mahal. Son, male gender. Daughter, female gender. King, queen. King, queen. King, male gender. Queen, female gender. King na yaru? Arasar. Queen na arasi. Prince, princess. Prince, princess. Prince na ilavarasar. princessனா இளவரசி. prince male gender, princess female gender. husband wife, கணவன் மனைவி. husband wife. husband male gender, wife female gender. This is people gender. Okay, now animal gender we will see. Animals male female, male female. Bull cow, bull cow. Lion lioness, lion lioness. Lionனா சிங்கம், சிங்கத்தோட இது வந்து ஆண் சிங்கம், இது பெண் சிங்கம். ஓகேவா? லயன் lioness. tiger tigress, tiger tigress. புலி இது பெண் புலி, ஆண் புலி பெண் புலி. deer doe, deer doe. doeனா பெண்மான், deerனா ஆண்மான். so deer male gender, doe female gender. horse mare, horse mare. horse male gender, mare female gender. fox vixen, fox vixen. drake duck, drake na ஆண் வாத்து, டக்னா பெண் வாத்து. ஓகே, drake duck. drake male gender, duck female gender. he goat, she goat. he goat na ஆண் ஆடு, he goat. she goat பெண் ஆடு. he goat, she goat. cock hen, cock hen. cock na சேவல், hen na கோழி. okay, cock male gender, hen female gender. peacock peahen, peacock peahen. peacock male gender, peahen female gender. okay children, are you clear? Now take page number 29, Roman A. Match the male naming words with the female naming words. Match the male naming words with the female naming words. Male naming words and female naming words we have to match correctly. Number 1, son. Son na magan. So female gender, what is the female gender? We have to find here. First one, doe, she goat, vixen, duck, sister, tigress, grandmother, aunt, daughter, queen. Daughter is the correct answer. Correct? Son na magan, daughter na magal. So Number 1, daughter. Son male gender, daughter female gender. Are you clear children? Yes. Number 2, tiger. Tiger male gender. What is the female gender? Yes, tigress. Female gender, tigress. Male gender, tiger. So what is the correct answer? F, tigress. Number 2, tigress. Number 1, son, daughter. Number 2, tiger, tigress. Number 3, king. King, male gender. What is the female gender? Yes, queen. King, queen. J, correct answer 3. Okay, king, queen. Number 4, deer. Number 4, deer. Deer, male gender. What is the female gender? Deer, male gender. Female gender you have to find here. Doe. What is the correct answer? Doe. Number 4, female gender, doe. Number 4, deer. On, mon. Okay. Female gender, doe, penman. Deer, male gender, doe, female gender. 5th one, he goat. On, odd. He goat. 5th one. Female gender, yes, B. She goat. Pen odd. 5th one, she goat. It's the correct answer. 6th, uncle. 6th one, uncle, male gender, mama. What is the female gender? Aunt. H. Aunt. Aunt is a female gender. 6th is correct answer. Aunt. Uncle, aunt. 7th one, brother. Brother, male gender. What is the female gender? Sister. Brother, sister. E. E is the correct answer. 7th one, sister. Brother, male gender. Sister, female gender. 8th one, grandfather. Grandfather, male gender. What is the female gender? Grandmother. So, 8th one, grandmother is the correct answer. 9th one, drake. 9th one, drake. What is the female gender? Duck. D. 9th one is duck is female gender. Drake, duck. 10th one, fox. What is the correct answer? Female gender, vixen. 10th one is vixen is the correct answer. Fox, vixen. Son, daughter, tiger, tigress, king, queen, deer, doe, he goat, she goat, uncle, aunt, brother, sister, grandfather, grandmother, drake, duck, fox, vixen. Okay, are you clear, children? Yes, you come to Roman B. Fill in the blanks with the correct female words for the underlined male words. Okay. First one, my grandfather takes me to park. Takes me to the park. Grandfather, male gender. My dash tells me stories. Grandfather, what is the male gender? Grandmother is female gender. Grandfather, male gender. Okay. What is the female gender? Grandmother. So, my grandfather takes me to the park. My grandmother tells me stories. So, what is the spelling of grandmother? G-R-A-N-D. Grandmother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. Grandmother. Number 2. The cock and the dash crow at 5 o'clock in the morning. Cock சேவல். What is the female gender? Hen, கோழி. What is the spelling of hen? H-E-N, hen. The cock and the hen crow at 5 o'clock in the morning. Okay. Then third one, the boy is riding a bicycle. The dash is playing on the swing. Boy, male gender. பையன். ஓகேவா? Then what is the male gender? What is the female gender? Girl. Boy, girl. What is the spelling of girl? G-I-R-L. Girl. G-I-R-L. Girl. The boy is riding a bicycle. The girl is playing on the swing. Okay, boy, girl. Boy, male gender. Girl, female gender. Okay. Then fourth one, the drake is making a loud noise. The dash is swimming. The drake, female gender, male gender is making a loud noise. The dash is swimming. Duck. What is the female gender? Duck. What is the spelling of duck? D-U-C-K. Duck. Drake, duck. Drake, male gender. Duck, female gender. Then fifth one, the bull is angry but the dash is calm. Bull, male gender. Cow, female gender. What is spelling of cow? C-O-W. Cow. Bull, cow. எருது மாடுன்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா? புல்னா கவுனா பசுமாடு. ஓகே. புல், மேல் ஜெண்டர். கவ், ஃபீமேல் ஜெண்டர். Okay, the bull is angry but the cow is calm. Sixth one, the peacock is dancing in the rain. The dash is watching the dance. Peacock, on male. Peahen, pen male. What is the spelling of peahen? P-E-A-H-E-N. Peahen. Peacock, male gender. Peahen, female gender. Okay. The peacock is dancing in the rain. The peahen is watching the dance. Then seventh one, my uncle is kind. My dash is very loving. Uncle, mama. Okay. Then female gender, ant. What is spelling of ant? A-U-N-T. Ant. My uncle is kind. My aunt is very loving. See here, grandfather, grandmother. Hen, cock, hen. Boy, girl. Drake, duck. Bull, cow. Peacock, peahen. Uncle, ant. Okay, are you clear, children? Yes. Children, I hope you have understood the he or she gender. Children, next topic is adjectives describe nouns. Okay, naming words are nouns or names of persons, places, animals or things. What are describing words or adjectives? Describing words or adjectives tell us more about nouns. Describing words or adjectives tell us more about nouns. For example, smart teacher. Smart teacher. The word smart describes the noun teacher. The word smart describes the noun teacher. Then second one, big house. Big house. The word big describes the noun house. Green parrot. Green parrot. The word green describes the noun parrot. Round ball. The word round describes the noun ball. 2 mangoes. The word 2 describes the noun mangoes. Pretty girl. The word pretty describes the looks of the noun girl. Thundering clouds. The word thundering describes the sound of the noun clouds. Soft toy. The word soft describes the feel of the noun toy. Adjectives, nouns. Smart teacher. டீச்சர் எப்படி இருக்காங்களா? ஸ்மார்ட்டாக இருக்காங்க. ஸோ டீச்சர் நவுன், அட்ஜெக்டிவ் ஸ்மார்ட். பிக் green. பிக் green. green parrot. parrot parrot என்ன கலரில் இருக்குது? க்ரீன் கலரில். ஸோ க்ரீன் adjectives, parrot noun. round ball. round adjective. ball noun. ball ரவுண்ட் ஷேப்பில் இருக்குதுன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஸோ ரவுண்ட் adjective, ball noun. 2 mangoes. 2 adjective, mangoes noun. mangoes, how many mangoes are there? 2 mangoes. So 2 adjectives, mangoes noun. Do you understand, children? Yes. Children, now take page number 33, chapter 7, describing words. Let's get started. Read these sentences, then color the pictures correctly. So, what is the picture? Rose. The rose is red. You have to color red. Red rose. What is the color of rose? Red. So, you color it, red color. Okay? Then, guava. The guava is green. What is the color of guava? Green. Have you seen the guava? Have you tasted? Yes, it is very tasty. Correct? Yes. The guava is green. So, you color it in green color. Next, the sheep is white. Have you seen the sheep? Yes. Where have you seen? Do you have in your home? Okay. What is the color of sheep? White color. So the sheep is white. So you color it in white. The words in describe rose, guava and sheep. Then words that describe persons, animal, birds, place and things are called describing words. These words tell us more about naming words. For example, the man has a heavy bag. Look at this man. What this man carrying? Bag. That bag is very heavy. ரொம்ப எப்படி இருக்கும்? வெயிட்டாக இருக்குது அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. த மேன் ஹேஸ் அ ஹெவி பேக். ரொம்ப வெயிட்டான பேக்கை தூக்கிட்டு போகிறாங்க. ஸோ அந்த பேக் எப்படி இருக்குன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க? ஹெவியாக இருக்குது, வெயிட்டாக இருக்குது அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. த மேன் ஹேஸ் அ ஹெவி பேக். ஸோ ஹெவி. த பேக் எப்படி இருக்குது? ஹெவியாக இருக்குது. ஸோ ஹெவி இன் அ describe. The man has a heavy bag. So, heavy in a describing word. Okay, then second one. This is a beautiful butterfly. This butterfly, how is it? Very beautiful. Correct? Yes. This is a beautiful butterfly. இந்த butterfly எப்படி இருக்குன்னு சொல்றோம்? பியூட்டிஃபுல்லா இருக்கு, ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு butterfly அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம் இல்லையா? எது அழகா இருக்குன்னு சொல்றோம்? Butterfly. So, இந்த butterfly தான் அழகா இருக்குன்னு சொல்றோம். அப்ப இந்த பியூட்டிஃபுல்ங்கிறது என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம்? Adjective. Describing word. This is a beautiful butterfly. So, beautiful in a describing word. Next, this is a big house. This is a big house. See this house. எப்படி இருக்கு? ரொம்ப குட்டியா இருக்கா, பெருசா இருக்கா அந்த ஹவுஸ்? பெருசா இருக்கு இல்லையா? இந்த ஹவுஸ் எப்படி இருக்குன்னு சொன்னாங்க? பெருசா, ரொம்ப பெருசா இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. இப்ப இந்த ஹவுஸ் தான் பெருசா இருக்கா, சின்னதா இருக்கா அப்படின்னு நம்ம டிஸ்கிரைப் பண்றோம். இதை பத்தி தான் நம்ம சொல்றோம். அப்ப இந்த ஹவுஸ் எப்படி இருக்கு? பிக். திஸ் இஸ் a big house. So, big in a describing word. Okay? Then, you take page number 34, Roman A. Underline the describing words in each set of words. Each set of words. First one, boy, cute, money. In these three, which is describing word? Boy, cute, money. Boy, money are nouns. Then cute, describing word. So you have to underline. Underline. Boy, noun, cute, describing word, money, noun. Okay? So cute, describing word. Then number 2, large, ship, sea. So in these three, it is describing word. Large, ship and sea are nouns. Ship and sea. Large is describing word. So you have to underline large. Number 3, blue, sky, cloud. Which is correct answer? Blue. Blue is describing word. So you have to underline. Fourth one, book, class, short. Which is correct answer? Short. Short is a describing word. Remaining 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 questions are homework. Okay? Then you come to next Roman, describing people. Roman B, underline the describing words in these sentences. Number 1, I have a good friend. Her name is Tanya. Which is describing word? I have a good friend. அந்த ஃப்ரெண்ட் எப்படி இருப்பாங்க? எனக்கு ஒரு நல்ல ஃப்ரெண்ட் இருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அப்ப ஃப்ரெண்ட் எப்படிப்பட்டவங்க? ரொம்ப நல்ல ஃப்ரெண்ட். அப்ப குட். குட் வந்து என்னது? describing word. Good is a describing word. She is very cute. She is very cute. எப்படி ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கா அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. அவ எப்படி இருக்கா? ரொம்ப அழகா கியூட்டா இருக்காங்கன்னு சொல்றாங்க. which is describing word? She is very cute. Cute is describing word. So you have to underline. Then number 3, she is quite tall. எப்படி இருக்கா? டாலா இருக்கா. So tall is describing word. Then fourth one, she has brown eyes and black hair. Here 2 describing words. Okay? Brown eyes. அவளோட ஐஸ் எப்படி இருக்கு? brown கலர்ல இருக்கான். So brown describing word. Then and brown black hair. And the hair எப்படி இருக்கா? black color இருக்கு. So she has brown eyes and black hair. Here two describing words. What are the word? What are the words? Brown and black. She has brown eyes and black hair. Fifth one, she wears beautiful dresses. அவ போட்டிருக்க ட்ரெஸ் எப்படி இருக்காம்? ரொம்ப அழகா பியூட்டிஃபுல்லா அழகா இருக்காம். ஸோ அந்த ட்ரெஸ் எப்படி இருக்குன்னு சொல்றோம்? அழகா இருக்குன்னு சொல்றோம். ஸோ விச் இஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர்? பியூட்டிஃபுல். பியூட்டிஃபுல் இஸ் a describing words. Okay. Then remaining questions are homework. Okay. Then you come to page number 35. Describing animals. Before we are describing people. Now describing animals. Roman C. Choose the correct words from the brackets and fill in the blanks. C. Describing words tell us these things about a naming words. The number, the color, the shape, the size. The number. For example, 3 ice creams, 4 bananas, 2 books. Like we are telling, no? So, the number 4 and 2 are describing words. They describe the number. The color. I have black hair. Red rose. Blue pen. Okay. So, blue, black, white, red called describing words. That colors also we called describing words. The shape. I have a round chair. Then triangle ice cream. So the word which describe the shape, round, triangle are describing words. The size. For example, tall pencil, big box, small box, like that. Okay. So number, color, shape, size are adjective. See, what is the first picture? Monkey. First one, this is a dash. Naughty or quiet monkey. That monkey, naughty or quiet? That monkey, very naughty. Is correct? Yes. This is a naughty monkey. This is a correct answer. Okay. So, you have to take and write. N-A-U-G-H-T-Y. Naughty. This is a naughty monkey. It has a dash, short or long tail. Monkey has very short tail. Correct? No. The monkey has long tail. So it has long tail. What is the spelling of long? L-O-N-G. Long. Long tail. It is dash, brown, grey. What is the color of monkey? Brown. So, what is the spelling of brown? B-R-O-W-N. Brown. It is brown. So, naughty, long, brown. Everything about monkey we are describing. Correct? This is a naughty monkey. It has a long tail. It is brown. Okay. Remaining 2, 3, 4, 5 questions are homework. Okay. Now you take page number 36. Describing things. Already we saw that people and animals. Now things. Then colors. Okay. Describing colors. So fill in the blanks using the describing words given in the box. Okay. First one. And dash box. Fast, open, blue, new, too, white. Okay. That box open. Open is a correct answer. O-P-E-N, open. So like you have to find the correct answer and write the columns. Roman E. Describing colors. Read the clues. Fill in the crossword with the correct names of colors. Then color the cells. Okay. See, look at this picture. What is this? This is blackboard. Correct? What is the color of blackboard? Black. So, across the blackboard is black. Black. What is the spelling of black? B-L-A-C-K, black. You write the spelling of black here. Okay. Across means this side. Down means you write the up and down. Okay, ma'am. So down, chocolate is. What is the color of chocolate? Brown. What is the color of chocolate? Brown. So down. B-R-O-W-N. Brown. Then second one. Leaves are. What is the color of leaves? Green. So across. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Okay. Then the piece of chalk is. What is the color of chalk? White. So right here. Across. W-H-I-T-E. White. The fire engine is red. R-E-D. Red. Down. Okay. Are you clear, children? Like this you write the answer. Okay. Roman F. Choose the correct describing words and complete the sentences. First one, I have a dash. As cute, ugly, teddy bear. The teddy bear is cute or ugly? The cute. So cute is the correct answer. So you write cute. C-U-T-E. Cute. I have a cute teddy bear. Number 2, we saw a dash blue or red bird yesterday. This is blue color. Correct? So we saw a blue. B-L-U-E. Blue bird yesterday. So remaining questions are homework. Okay, children? Roman G. Underline the describing words. You have to read this paragraph and underline the describing words. Okay. I have a dog called Brownie. I play with him every day. He is small and brown in color. He has a short tail. He has brown eyes. He is a naughty dog. He likes to eat crunchy biscuits. He sleeps in a red kennel. Okay, in this paragraph, what are the describing words? Small, brown, small and brown in color. So, colors, small and brown. Small and brown. Describing words. Here, short tail, brown eyes, crunch biscuits, sleeps in red kennel. Okay. Here, naughty dog. Okay, like this you have to underline the describing words. Okay, children? Children, I hope you have understood describing words. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you, children.